So packing. When it comes to packing, the most important thing is to pack light. Just remember that most of the stuff that you're going to need throughout the semester you can buy in country. However, if you do have any allergies or specific brand preferences and certain medications, you might want to pack enough for the whole semester. In addition, note that some countries don't have as many feminine hygiene products available. For your luggage, in general, you should bring one bigger suitcase or rolling suitcase is fine, a trekking or duffel bag for excursions, and then something smaller like a everyday backpack going to and from class. For homestay gifts, we get this question a lot. The coolest things to bring are obviously things that are local. So, for example, if you're in Vermont, you can bring maple syrup. If you're someone from California, you could bring a photo book of landmarks. Things that can be shareable are also better than individual gifts, and sometimes you may not know beforehand who exactly is going to be in your homestay family. And the most important thing, or one of the most important things, is don't bring anything that can melt, so no chocolates. For more information about culturally appropriate clothes, please make sure you read your pre-departure materials. They can be found online or talk to your admissions counselor. Another good resource is your alumni mentors. They've been on the programs before, so they're a great group of people to talk to.